properties of leaps and bounds and its directors and everybody. The figures mentioned, I am not disclosing it, but you know, and the court knows it.
My lord knows it, and my lord will find that how much we have. My lord, therefore, my lord, I am trying to assure my.
Minuscule amount.
My lord will.
What is the source of money? Have you been able to reach the source?
My lord, source of money, my lord.
নমস্কার বন্ধুরা, আশা করি সবাই ভালো আছেন। লিগাল ফর অল চ্যানেলে আপনাদের সবাইকে স্বাগত জানাই। বন্ধুরা, আপনারা সবাই জানেন, অনেকেই জানেন যে লিপস অ্যান্ড বাউন্ড যে কোম্পানি, সেই কোম্পানির অর্থাৎ অভিষেক ব্যানার্জি এবং আরও অন্যান্য অনেক ব্যক্তি যারা এই কোম্পানির ডাইরেক্টর, সেই কোম্পানি নিয়ে কিন্তু যে নিয়োগ দুর্নীতি নিয়ে যে মামলা চলছে, সেই মামলাতে তদন্ত করতে গিয়ে কিন্তু এই কোম্পানির নাম উঠে এসছে এবং এই কোম্পানির সম্পত্তির উৎস কি সেই নিয়ে কিন্তু মহামান্য হাইকোর্টের অনারেবল জাস্টিস অমৃতা সিনহা কিন্তু প্রশ্ন তুলেছিলেন যে এই যে কোম্পানি, এই কোম্পানির উৎস কোথায়, কোম্পানির ইনকামের উৎস কোথায়, এবং তার উপরে কিন্তু ইডি এবং সিবিআইকে কিন্তু রিপোর্ট জমা দেওয়ার জন্য বলেছিলেন। কিন্তু এই মামলা অনেক দিন ধরে চলছে এবং এই রিসেন্ট যে মামলাটির ডেট ছিল, সেই ডেটে কি হয়েছে সেই নিয়ে কিন্তু আজকে আপনাদের তথ্য জানাবো। এবং সেই ডেটে কিন্তু ইডি এবং সিবিআইয়ের যে উকিলবাবু ছিলেন, তিনি যে রিপোর্ট পেশ করেছেন, যে রিপোর্ট জমা দিয়েছেন, সেই রিপোর্টে কিন্তু জাস্টিস সিনহা কিন্তু খুশি হননি। সিবিআই এবং ইডির রিপোর্ট অনুযায়ী প্রায় 250 কোটি সম্পত্তি কিন্তু বাজেয়াপ্ত করা হয়েছে, কিন্তু সেই জায়গায় সেটা শুনে কিন্তু জাস্টিস অমৃতা সিনহা বলেন যে এটা খুবই সামান্য, এবং আপনিও জানেন এবং আমিও জানি এবং গোপন সূত্রে খবর আছে যে আরও অনেক বেশি কিন্তু এর সম্পত্তি পরিমাণ। তো সেই সম্পত্তির পরিমাণকে আপনারা জানুন, তার উৎস জানুন, এবং যে আপনাদের যে তদন্ত হচ্ছে সেই তদন্তে যে রিপোর্ট, সেই রিপোর্টে কিন্তু তার আমি নমুনা দেখতে চাই। কিন্তু এখনো অবধি এই এত দিন ধরে যে এই রিপোর্ট দেওয়া হচ্ছে, রিপোর্ট জমা দেওয়ার কাজ যে চলছে, কিন্তু এখনো অবধি খুবই দুঃখজনকভাবে ইডি এবং সিবিআই এখনো অবধি কিন্তু সম্পূর্ণভাবে তাদের যে সম্পত্তির পরিমাপ এবং সেই সম্পত্তির উৎস কি সেই সম্পর্কে কিন্তু কোনো রকম একটি স্বচ্ছ ধারণা কিন্তু দিতে পারেনি। যেটা দিচ্ছে সেটা খুবই সংক্ষিপ্ত, এবং সেটি কিন্তু বিচারপতিকেও খুশি করতে পারছেন না। কারণ বিচারপতি নিজেই বলছেন যে এই যে সম্পত্তি, এই সম্পত্তির যে পরিমাণ, তার আন্দাজ কিন্তু আমার কাছে রয়েছে, তার আন্দাজের একটা খবর আমার কাছে রয়েছে, কিন্তু আমি সেটাকে ডিসক্লোজ করছি না ওপেন কোর্টে। কিন্তু আপনিও জানেন এবং আমিও জানি এর সম্পত্তির পরিমাণ কতটা, কিন্তু সেই যে রিফ্লেকশনটা আপনাদের কিন্তু রিপোর্টে আসছে না, সেই সত্যিটা কিন্তু আপনাদের রিপোর্টে উঠে আসছে না। কেন আসছে না এবং আর কত দিন সময় লাগবে এইটার জন্যে, এই প্রশ্ন কিন্তু ছুড়ে দিয়েছেন বিচারপতি সিনহা। কি হয়েছিল সেদিনকে কোর্টে সেই সম্পর্কে জানবো। চলুন দেখি সেদিনকে কি হয়েছিল, এবং একটি বড় সড়ো কিন্তু ঘটনা সেদিনকে ঘটেছে কোর্টে, হাইকোর্টে সেদিনকে বড় সড়ো একটি ঘটনা ঘটেছে, এবং সেই ঘটনাটা কি চলুন দেখি।
They are 160, my lord will kindly bear me. They are around 148.5 crores. But my lord can be rest assured that the market value of the all movable and immovable properties is more than 250 crores, and which we had initially in our report said that we are apprehending. Now, my lord, we have done that, my lord. If my lord kindly comes, takes the report, Lordship will first take up. My lord, the first page, my lord will come. This is just the starting, my lord. We have said that the attachments, my lord, which we had made over the period, my lord, from 2023, my lord, table 1. Most of them have been confirmed. That means the attachment which were made, they were challenged and they have
Yes.
been tested before the adjudicating authority and they all have been confirmed. Only 2 attachments which we have made recently, Millard, in the month of April are pending. But Millard, we are very hopeful that those will also be, Millard.
In the last report that you filed,
Yes, Millard.
in the table 1,
Yes, Millard.
serial numbers 9, 10, and 11 were pending.
Yes, Millard. 9 has been decided.
9 has been
Decided, Millard. 10 and 11 are still pending. But Millard, what I'm trying to show, morning shows the data. Whatever attachment we have done, they have been challenged tooth and nail, and we have all been able to sustain it. So, Millard, it cannot be said that whatever attachments we have made were out of the blues and random and without any substantiating reasons. Now, Millard will kindly come to my report. Paragraph 3.
Yes.
My lord will get the value, my lord, that is which is with regard to table 1, my lord. With regard to the, my lord will kindly see, my lord. I am not reading it aloud, my lord.
Hmm.
This is 1, my lord.
Mr. Trivedi,
My lord.
the report which was filed giving the details of the properties of leaps and bounds and its directors and everybody, the figures mentioned, I am not disclosing it, but you know, and the court knows it.
My lord knows it, and my lord will find that how much we have. My lord, therefore, my lord, I am trying to assure my.
Minuscule amount.
My lord will kindly appreciate. My lord will kindly appreciate. My lord will not go by the book value. My lord will go by the market value. Initially, when they were registered, the book value has been kindly come what I said, my lord. Though we are saying here the total till date, my lord. Paragraph 5, my lord will kindly see the last line, that is 148.5 crores approximately. That is, my lord, book value. Not the properties which have been attached. My lord kindly goes to the address. My lord, less said the better. The addresses. My lord, that is what. And my lord, what is happening? My lord, predicate offense. Then I will come to the CBI's report. CBI, on the basis of whatever we have, we were working in tandem, whatever we have forwarded to them. After, because predicate offense, we cannot put the cart before the horse. Now, my lord, whatever investigation, the course of investigation, we had got leads for various things. Now, my lord, we disclosed that to the concerned officers, my lord. After that, my lord, I will take, my lord, to the CBI's report, where, my lord, in a specific paragraph number 14, my lord will find that there has been considerable progress, and, my lord, we have been able to make considerable inroads, my lord.
What is the source of money? Have you been able to reach the source?
My lord, source of money, my lord.
The properties have been purchased upon
lord,
valuable consideration.
my lord,
Where
my lord,
from
my lord,
the money generated?
My lord, generation of money, my lord, will cut in the CBI's report. My lord will kindly appreciate. Predicate offense started. Predicate offense disclosed that this is the offense which has been made. And from there, money has been generated. Now, we are only on proceeds of crime. So, when we go, it is but natural that it is the proceeds of crime is from the predicate offense. So, my lord, there is we are. So, whatever is the proceeds of crime is out of that RC number 6, which is before my lord, or RC number 5, or which is before different honorable courts where my lords are in season of the matter, because and there is a judgment also of this honorable court, my lord.
That
My lord,
means,
the proceeds of crime are coming from there.
that means the company does not generate any revenue. The revenue is from somewhere else.
My lord, what we understood, therefore, attachment has been made because we could not substantiate the amount of money. Otherwise, where we could not substantiate, we have attributed that amount to this particular cause of the predicate offense. Therefore, we could, my lord, attach, and those were basically sustained before the adjudicating authority. Because, my lord, whenever we make an attachment, it is the adjudicating authority where the person goes and shows the books of accounts or whatever it is, substantiating this is my source of income, and therefore whatever has been attached is a bad attachment. But they could not. Therefore, my lord, and whatever is taking is the procedure, my lord. Fourth month, we have been able to, my lord, within 2 months, get that order from the adjudicating authority. And my lord, I would try to point out before your lordship very humbly that whichever arrests were made by the enforcement directorate till now, none of them have been granted bail. One. Secondly, my lord, whatever we have attached, nothing has been released. Therefore, it goes without saying, my lord, that they could not show any document to substantiate the source by which they purchased these properties. This, my lord, and then, my lord, will kindly see what we have specifically stated in paragraph number 6, my lord. And on the basis of this, we have got the entire, my lord, will kindly come to page 9, last paragraph. We have moved an application under 44(1)(c). And, my lord, we have got the CBI cases also transferred to the same court, my lord, for the betterment, my lord. And now we have already, my lord, shared the entire information. Now, my lord, what predicate offense investigating agency will proceed, my lord, and whatever is the outcome of that particular investigation, it will sustain us, because we are only on proceeds of crime, my lord. Now, my lord, will kindly see our last paragraph, my lord, which we are last but one paragraph, my lord, penultimate of that paragraph 8, my lord, where we have specifically stated, my lord. And now, whatever we had shared with the CBI, my lord, CBI has made effective inroads, my lord, which my lords will get it from the report of the CBI, my lord. And, my lord, I would, when I place CBI's report before your lordship, I would try to usher my lords to paragraph 14, where effective inroads have been made. Honorable Division Bench of this Honorable Court, my lord. There we have stated categorically that
But then it is time that bail will be granted to the persons who are in custody, because if you cannot
I bow down.
Move forward.
My lord, lastly, his bail was rejected last month, my lord. We could hold the fort till that day. And because of the reason that we could show that he was the person who created websites and he was holding interviews effectively in the premises.
So you have enough inroads.
Then, my lord, will kindly see paragraph page 15.
Yes, I have seen that.
Page 15. My lord, so what is happening is, my lord, we are working in tandem. These things have come. So, my lord, I am just trying to, with greatest humility, my lord, we have made significant inroads. Attachments. After that, statements of persons who have been involved big time into the collection of money and paying it to the concerned authorities.
What about framing of charges?
Well, here though we are still, we have final charge sheet has not been submitted. What is final? We have filed
Final charge sheet, you will take time. The way you all are proceeding and the way you all are getting hold of details, it will take time.
My lord was talking about leaps and bounds. Then, my lord, I showed my lord paragraph 4. What happens is, my lord, it was done in a very orchestrated, planned manner.
Yes.
One to another, another to another. So, my lord, what is happening is that whenever we are putting our hand to one particular aspect, another thing is coming as a...
No, that I can understand.
So, my lord, as far as the other, but, my lord, the silver lining is this, that, my lord, we could hold to the fort, because every day when we are coming with other details, the honorable bail courts, wherever they are, they can understand that they have a finger in all the pies. So, my lord, but still, my lord, we are working, my lord, as soon, because we don't want that, my lord, there should be a cryptic charge sheet. Everything, whatever is coming, my lord, should be there, stated in the charge sheet, so that it is so comprehensive that, my lord, and, my lord, we are also trying to There's also, my lord, there's so many
Make
things.
it more comprehensive. I do not know how long y'all will take and how long it will continue.
What had fixed a terminal date of December 23 was the terminal date fixed by the division bench.
They,
No, but
even thereafter,
but
the evidences that has been collected.
kindly, my lord, kindly
Huge.
reflect these, my lord, in the orders of your lordship. They should also supply the copy of this, my lord, the report to us. The other court has also directed, but this is nothing to do with the criminal investigation. That part, which is, my lord, might be benefiting the accused, that may be, my lord, barred. The rest part of it should be given to us. Or
Rest
lordship
part
kindly-
means what? Rest part.
My
What
lord,
is the rest part that
My
you
lord,
want?
the entire crux of the investigation report, which is they are saying, my lord, without mentioning the name and other things, that should be reflected in the order sheet.
The full thing contains names and figures. The entire thing.
Then lordship will kindly, my lord, mention in my lord's order that the report submitted mentions many names and many transactions. Otherwise, my lord, it would be
That is all right.
my lord,
Mentioning
may
that
I answer
will
with
not-
deepest of respect to
And-
what my learned senior friend has submitted? Deepest of respect, my lord. Here, my lord, there is one. We have already filed an interim IA application before the Honorable Supreme Court. There is one of the person called Mr. Manik Bhattacharya. He is one of the person whom we are unable to interrogate properly because of the order. We have already filed an IA. Now, my lord, because of this, my lord, which he had obtained this order, my lord, from the Honorable Supreme Court, my lord, where, my lord, no coercive steps were to
no
be taken.
coercive doesn't mean investigation stop.
My lord, my learned senior, with deepest of respect, my lord. If a person is favored with the order of no coercive step, when I interrogate him, when I say London, he talks Tokyo.
But it is for your officers
My lord,
to extract
my lord,
the,
we are,
the
my lord,
required
the
evidences.
my lord has seen the extraction.
I have seen.
But, my lord, what
then-
is happening is at one particular, but, my lord, I am not saying, we are saying that, they say, we are saying that why the delay? My lord, delay in the final charge sheet, my lord, one or two aspects are there. We have already filed an IA
But
and
his
we are very
custody-
hopeful.
Manik Bhattacharya's custody by ED was not interfered by the Honorable Supreme Court. Only the interference was so far the CBI's custody is concerned.
My lord, may,
Somebody's already
again, I may
custody.
answer, my lord.
You need
Then
to
my lord
answer-
will kindly,
you
my
need
lord,
to
no, my
answer
lord, when
me.
aspersion are being casted on my agency, I am here to protect those. My lord will kindly see the last page of ED's report. Because investigation was made by ED, they have handed over all the things and then all these things came out. Paragraph 14. My lord will have
That's
to see, my lord.
appreciated. That's appreciated. I am not
My lord, what
accusing
is happening is, my lord, paragraph 14 is an outcome of because we got something from somewhere which we could share. My lord, we are very hopeful. My lord will kindly give us some more time. What I have understood from my officers, my lord, we will come up with again with flying colors. My lord. We will, my lord, see an end.
No, but what
My
I
lord
got-
has seen, my lord, wherever we have
But
investigated.
then I am getting inputs that the officers of the ED have become a bit lax. So let your officers remain careful. The court is also getting inputs.
My lord, I have not become laxed as my lord's officer.
It's
And
not
also,
you.
my lord will kindly say, and our,
Your
I-
officers, and I know the names also.
my lord, I shall. I bow down. I shall.
What is happening, how things are happening,
Yes.
I am getting to know it. Your officers should remain extremely careful because the entire investigation is court monitored.
I
And
am,
apart from what
bow
you are submitting in court,
my lord. My lord,
I get to
I bow down, my lord.
get reports from elsewhere
I bow down, my lord.
and all genuine sources.
I shall, my lord. I shall take care of that.
Number, what is
As
the
to who are being interrogated and who are not being interrogated
Yes.
and why not being interrogated
Noted.
may not be all, but a few I have definite information.
Whatever has fallen from my lord, I've noted and I have taken proper note of it, my lord.
Number, I would like to,
Yes.